How to change language on Reddit app. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Reddit application on your device and make sure you are signed in, and if not, then go ahead and sign yourself in. Now, tap on your profile icon on the top right of your screen and further tap on the settings option from the bottom of your screen. And now, under the language settings tab, you will see two options. Firstly, tap on the display language option, and in the pop-up that appears, tap on the open settings option, as in order to change the Reddit language, you will have to change your device's language. So, go ahead and change your language from your device's language settings, and with this, your Reddit language will be changed too. So this is how you can change language on Reddit. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.